The Nairobi Security Exchange is Kenya's main stock market and a key pillar of the country's financial system. It provides a platform where investors buy and sell shares of publicly listed companies, enabling businesses to raise capital while giving citizens an opportunity to build wealth. The Nairobi Security Exchange traces its origin back in 1954, when it was established during the colonial period as an informal market for trading shares. Over the years, it has grown into a fully regulated and modern exchange, playing a central role in Kenya's economy and financial development. In simple terms, the NSE operates like a marketplace. Companies such as Safaricom, Cooperative Bank of Kenya, and Kenya Power list their shares, allowing investors to own a portion of their businesses. These shares are traded through licensed stockbrokers, and prices change throughout the day depending on demand and supply. The operation of the stock market is driven by investors' activity. When more people are buying shares, prices tend to rise, creating what is known as a bullish market, which is indicated by green. On the other hand, when more investors are selling, prices fall, resulting in a bearish market. This constant movement of prices creates an opportunity for profit. The NSE has been growing participation over the years, with thousands of active investors ranging from large institutions to individual retail traders. The rise of digital trading platforms has made it easier for ordinary Kenyans to access the market, increasing financial inclusion and awareness. There are two primary ways investors make money on the Nairobi Security. The first is through capital gain, which is when the price of share increases. For example, in 2025, shares of Safaricom raised significantly from around 17 Kenyan shillings to 28 Kenyan shillings, providing a strong return to investors who bought it early. Similarly, Cooperative Bank of Kenya share showed steady growth, increasing from approximately 10 Kenyan shillings to above 17 Kenyan shillings, making it attractive for long-term investors. The second way investors earn money is through dividends. These are payments made by companies to shareholders from their profits. Safaricom is widely regarded one of the most consistent dividend-paying companies in Kenya, offering stable returns to investors. Cooperative Bank has also demonstrated strong performance with increasing dividend payout over time. When comparing the two investment approaches, capital gain offers the potential for faster and sometimes higher returns, but they come with a greater risk due to price volatility. Dividends, on the other hand, provide a more stable and predictable income stream, making them suitable for long-term investors seeking financial security. In conclusion, the Nairobi Security Exchange plays a crucial role in wealth creation and economic development in Kenya. By understanding how the market operates and the different ways to earn returns, investors can make informed decisions, whether through rising share price or dividend income. The NSE offers opportunity for both new and experienced investors to grow their wealth over time.